All right, it's April 14th, and we're going to do a couple bee checks. And unfortunately, here in Massachusetts, yesterday we had 70 plus mile an hour winds, and this hive being on that stand went over. So I think I found her in time. They were all still on the frames. I don't know about the queen, so that's what we're going to go in and look, probably add the top feeder back in. But I want to go in, check out their status. As you can see, syrup here on top. Alright, I see some bees up here. Let's make sure we're in there. And you can see the majority of the bees here. And I think I'm going to pop in a little bit here and just see. I'd like to find that queen. Yeah. Looks like we get a lot of bees moving about. They don't look that bad. And I don't see a ton of dead ones. They look still pretty damn active, as you can see. A lot of capped brood. So I'm thinking I might have got lucky. This is the one that's full. I want to check this one out. Yeah, a lot of capped brood, so. Tell you what, I don't see no dead bees in the bottom, so that's a damn good sign. I don't know how big that queen is by now. She'll be unmarked. But I bet you she'll be hard to find. Alright. Well, I'll tell you. We're looking pretty good. Oh, there's a queen right there. She's a good size, unmarked. Right here. Somewhere I lost her. She's in here somewhere. But anyway, that's a good sign. So we get this thing put back together. Put the honey to the outside. Alright. That's good. That is good. Some pollen patches go in there. Alright, I'm going to get this put back together. what? I gotta grab a pollen patty and put the top feeder on. So at least we found the queen. We're looking good. I'm gonna end the video here so I got room for my next videos.